Now that's going to be the point that's going to be used to scale this pattern. So we'll move this over here. Go to scale. Bring this pattern using the center point. And the factor has to be more than 1. That way it creates one that's larger. So let's go here to 1.0 less than 1 less than 2.500. So when you scale it by 1, it stays the same. When you scale it by more than 1, it scales from this point. And that's why we have the ability to move that point up and down, because if you move it up, it scales down. If